Alright, the Chicago Midway Fly Tampa scenery will be part 1. Chicago Midway takeoff is taken out of 4 right. Chicago Midway Fly Tampa scenery. Put the picture. Real sound taken by Real Sound 37. Should like them. Very realistic textures and city. Cars move, everything. Plane, lights, has everything what the real Chicago Midway looks like. That's the runway, we're up in the air, gears up, and there's a terminal, see the cars, some school buses, trains, a lot of stuff Fly Tampa scenery has. You can get it. Got this at Sim Market. That's a lot of stuff. Very good scenery, a lot of people like it. Hi, we're landing at Fly Tampa. We're landing at Midway with Fly Tampa scenery. If you saw part 1, well, great job. Maybe someday you'll get this scenery. It's beautiful. Has everything that you can wish for. How do you like that landing? Great. So here we are. You didn't mean to do that. But anyway, that's okay. We can push back. Thanks a lot. Alright. Parking.